Okay, this is Allison DeMars, and I am doing my online heart dissection for Anatomy 221. So looking at the heart from the outside, we can identify the base and the apex of the heart. Superiorly is the base of the heart where the input and output blood vessels attach. Inferiorly is the apex of the heart, and this is made from muscle that makes up the left ventricle, and it forms this point down here. Looking back at the base, we can see these flap-like muscles on top of the atria called the auricles. The veins carry the blood to the heart. The heart has many arteries that are responsible for carrying blood away from the heart. Up here, we can see one of these arteries called the aorta. The aorta comes from the left ventricle and carries the blood to the systemic circuit. The smaller one, leading from the aorta, supplies the blood to the heart is called the coronary artery. The brachiocephalic trunk emerges from the aorta and splits to the right subclavian artery and the right common corduroid artery. Flipping the heart around, we can see the superior, I think that's supposed to be right there, the superior and inferior vena cava. The superior vena cava returns the blood to the upper region of the body to the right atrium, and the inferior vena cava does the same but returns the blood to the lower regions. Now that the heart is open, we can see the ventricles down here in the atrium. The atrium is the upper chamber that receives the blood. Ventricles are these lower chambers that force the blood into the aorta or the pulmonary arteries. Ventricles also have these folds and ridges called the trabecular carinae. Below the right atrium, which should be somewhere down here, would be the tricuspid valve leading to the right ventricle. Between the ventricles is this large muscular wall called the interverticular septum. Then is the left ventricle to the bicuspid valve, and then the semilunar valve is located between the aorta and the left ventricle. And then right here, these little things right here are called the cordinae tendineae, or the heartstrings, and these are cords that connect the bicuspid and tricuspid valves to the papillary muscles. Thank you.